How to change the default emote of your Roblox avatar. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can change the emote of your Roblox avatar. So in order to change the emote of your Roblox avatar, simply launch your Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon, and once the application launches you will see an interface like this. Now in this particular interface, simply click onto this avatar option at the below screen, and once you will click onto the avatar option you will see your avatar like this. Now in order to change the emote, simply click onto this avatar button at the top over the left hand side, and once you will do this it will give you an option to select an emote to pose your avatar. So you can choose any of these free options or also buy them by spending Robux. So let me choose this particular emote, and once I have selected this particular emote I'm going to click on this next button, and then I can simply zoom out and adjust some of the position of my emote, and then I will need to click onto this next button, and then I can click on this save button, and now my profile picture has been successfully changed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.